Yo, shout out everybody. Yeah, we got cans. Nice, I'm happy with that. Here, give me a sec. Congratulations, everybody. Just gonna get up nice, close, and personal here. How's the levels? Give me a 5x5 in the chat. Got good levels, everything's good. Maybe a little higher, huh? Or maybe a little closer. Word up. So we're looking for a big, giant gap. We want to see a big gap on the open above the blue shaded area. From last update, we were looking for this candle to elevator right up to this blue box. I am a happy camper. I don't know about you guys, but life is pretty sweet. Congratulations to everybody not falling for the psyops and the shills and the emotional wrecks out there with big followings who have no idea what they're doing. And if you are looking for something cheap to get into, you know there's always Pulse Chain. It's dirt cheap right now. It is kind of going up, so you know, do your thing, not financial advice. Absolutely. And you guys will get the sneaky peek of the release of my coin, GMF, goodmorningfriends.com. You guys check it out. It's a coin that just burns itself every transaction, and it just kind of goes up. And if it gets sold off, it burns more coins. It's like Bitcoin, only you don't have to wait every 4 years for it to halve, or 3.8 years or whatever. It halves every time. It just keeps burning coins every time somebody buys or sells. There's no minting. There's no mint function. It's just burning. So you pretty much can't mint it to death like Luna. So you guys can check that out if you'd like. Obviously I gotta give you a disclaimer. I'm not guaranteeing you financial gain, etc. Not financial advice. Something I put on the blockchain, it'll live there forever, and as long as it gets bought and sold. So you can check that out at goodmorningfriends.com. And there's the white paper on there. It's a complete project, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. But if you're not into low cap alts and brand new things, then yeah, Pulse Chain's the way to go. And they just did a Liberty Swap .finance where you can bridge from almost any KEX exchange right to Pulse Chain. So it's like, takes less than a minute. A few clicks of a button, connect your wallet, decide which coins you want to trade, and bam. Instant bridge. It's so seamless and awesome. So that's about all the shilling I'm good for. I'm not really good at it. But lots of people are sidelined and they were short and listening to the crowd. This happens every cycle. Every single cycle. Everybody calls it short. They say it's over. There was a guy with 500,000 views on a tweet right here on this candle. He called it over. $400 ETH. Everything's gone. No more alt season ever. And this is where we called the bottom. And we purchased that. We shifted structure here with a nice aggressive move. Just annihilating the downtrend. Now, if you remember, and if you weren't watching, this is a series of videos in a playlist of mine on YouTube where you can see how I was anticipating this. And this is my money printer model just in the weekly chart. And so I was anticipating that it would want to find some resistance temporarily and just trick many people into, okay, it's over, just for that violent move back up. And you remember me saying, when we're down in the doom, it's really hard to anticipate price wanting to make a higher high. But while the big boys are buying this discount pricing, they need to see an exit. In order for that exit to, in order for them to seek a profit, they have to see an exit, and price must come to a certain point in the chart where they would have buyers already with their hand open in the market. And what a better place than buy stops at a double top from everybody calling it over. So this was kind of the logic for how we were able to do this in real time. and use these gaps as support and resistance levels just to forecast price. So if you want to learn how to use CME gaps, you can follow through the series. It'd be pretty sweet. And we got 32 seconds till market open. This is going to be fun. I do have plans for my coin, but I can't tell you because, legal reasons. But look forward to some growth and some friendship. And here we go. Crazy. We opened right at the blue zone. So right now, I am ecstatic. I am really happy. So what I want to see for the week is it come and maybe reprice to this wick. It can reprice into this wick, sure. If it starts trading into the body, I want to see this as my support and resistance level and find like a low here. This is where things get weird, is I am not sure if price wants to generate some more shorts before running it up like this here. So just like it did here, right here, because if there's not a lot of exit liquidity up here, it will trade down just to generate that idea. And I invite that. Retail won't invite that. They think it's up only, it has to be up. But this is how you buy dips in an uptrend, is you permit price to just come down a little bit. And don't forget, this is a weekly chart. Now, I'm not against the idea that we can just start spooling up and just go turbo upside. Okay, that's totally on the table. And we just opened into liquidity here, so the people who were holding shorts over the weekend are now wrecked. They were opened wrecked. Something to think about, because you can't weekend trade futures market. So this is, you guys, this is really exciting. Really exciting. Yes, and I wanted to mention that my coin has nothing to do with Crypto Life or Discord. Forgot. Should probably mention that. It has nothing to do with Sammy. It's my own thing, and has nothing to do with Jamie or the team or anything to do with them. It's my own gig. It's for you guys. It's a diamond hand thing. Just check out the website if you want to read up on it. I know I'm really bad at advertising. Yeah, J-Soul, word up. Word up, Darth Dude. God bless you, bro. So nice to see you trading on X. That's awesome. I ain't gonna lie, I thought you was so wrong, but that mofo ripped. Ain't that awesome? Probably random. God bless you all. Thank you all for joining. I appreciate each and every one of you, and we will see you very soon. Peace.